Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to set up Rhythm's new wardrobe or closet from Ikea and organize it too. I'm going to share the entire process with a lot of insight, so stay tuned. After unboxing the package, it's now time to assemble it. In our case, we have done it ourselves, but if you haven't done it earlier, I would suggest you to hire professionals because some steps are a bit confusing. Before we placed order, we made sure to take measurements and decide the position and placement of the furniture. But still, after it arrived, we made sure to rethink about its location because once it is installed, it is a tedious job to move it.
आपने पिया?
Before we start to assemble the product, it's important to count and lay all the bolts, clamps and hinges safely. They provide it in exact numbers, so make sure to not misplace any important part or the entire process of assembly will go on hold until you find or purchase that one missing piece. It's been a while since we have been planning on getting a separate storage for Rhythm's clothes and accessories. A full-size kids wardrobe was not an option in my small space. So I decided to smartly utilize this vertical space without making the room look cluttered. Rhythm is going to turn 5 next month, and just like every other girl her age, she too has developed a strong liking towards makeup, jewelry, etc. The everyday dress up games where one day she is dressed as a teacher, the other day she dresses as mama. All of this using my dupattas, scarves, and even towels. And allowing her access to our wardrobe was simply making it difficult day by day. To avoid the everyday mess without hindering her dress up games, we decided on this functional and space saving storage. Moving ahead, the storage now looks quite sturdy and just needs the last few finishing touches. If you also face such space restrictions, try utilizing the vertical space just like this. For now, I don't need any hanging options in this closet, so I went ahead with the shelves as they provide decent partition for storing kids' clothes. Segregation helps in maintaining closets and wardrobes organized, and thus shelves always feel more functional to me in such scenarios. It took us a few hours to assemble and mount it on the wall. The next day, I went ahead with the organization part. Here's the mess telling its own story. It gets practically difficult to find dresses in such a mess, and kids then keep repeating the same dresses over and over again. I started with clearing all the shelves that held Rhythm's clothes. I wanted to have a very good look at everything that actually belonged to her. The heap of clothes did not just need organization but decluttering too. There were a lot of clothes that were worn out and faded. Also found dresses that she has outgrown. I kept aside all such dresses and the heap slowly started turning small. Such a relief. It's now time to organize the clothes in this vertical storage, which is going to be Rhythm's new wardrobe. After planning the arrangement, I went ahead with stacking the clothes in the best possible way. I feel I need to invest in some organizers that will help maintain the shelves neat and organized. However, for now, I will directly organize it on the shelves. I'm allotting the lower shelves for her daily wears, makeup, and jewelries, and the higher shelves for party wears, school uniforms, swimming costume, and towels. The segregation looks so neat and organized. Such spaces make my heart happy. Rhythm is also overjoyed to have this space. Her traditional outfits and some other dresses that come out once in a while are still in my wardrobe since there's no point overloading this storage with clothes that barely come out. Now, this organization is easy for her to maintain. This will help her learn the basics of maintaining her surroundings neat and organized. It's a basic lifestyle skill that every individual must be taught. The earlier, the better. I also know that the organization won't last forever. In a couple of weeks, it will again call for help, as Rhythm will again turn it upside down. But it's okay. After all, they are kids, and we must let them be. With that, I'll wrap up the video. Thank you so much for making it till here. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel before you leave. Also, drop your feedback in the comment section. I'll see you next week. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye bye.